Homeschool Honey Pot here. Today I'm going to give you a tour of my homeschool room. I hope you enjoy it and I hope it gives you ideas and inspiration for your own homeschool room. Let's go. So that's my homeschool room. I hope you enjoyed it. Everybody's homeschool room is unique to their home, their children, their style, their space. And I hope that you've taken some ideas of what you can incorporate into your own room and make it your own. If you have a little space, if you have a corner, if you have a dining room, if you have a room, the point is it's a learning environment that you and your children feel comfortable in. All right, that concludes my tour. I hope you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.